In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the underline from the header menu on your Shopify store. If you've noticed that the default setting for your header menu includes an underline which you would like to remove for a cleaner look, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and can quickly improve the aesthetic of your online store. Let's dive in. First, we need to access the code editor within Shopify. Starting from your homepage, navigate to the Online Store section. This is where you're able to make changes to the appearance of your store by editing some of the underlying code. Once you're in the Online Store section, look to the right where you'll find the ellipses icon. Click on it to reveal more options and select Edit Code. This will open up the code editor, where you have the power to modify your site's design. Next, you'll need to search for base.css in the search bar. This file holds the styling rules for your Shopify site and is where we'll make a few tweaks to achieve our desired look. Enter base.css in the search field and select it from the list of files that appear. Now, you're ready to make changes to this file. When you have the base.css file open, scroll down to the very bottom of the document. Once you're there, create some space by hitting the return key a couple of times, leaving 2 blank lines. This will give you room to insert the new code without interfering with the existing lines. Now, you'll need to obtain the specific code needed to remove that pesky underline. For this guide, you can go to Host2B or any other trusted online source where you can grab the CSS snippet required. Make sure the code snippet deals specifically with the text decoration property for the header menu links because that's the one responsible for the underline. After you've found and copied the right code snippet, head back to where you left those 2 blank spaces in your base.css file. Paste the code snippet right into this section. Ensure that the formatting remains consistent with the rest of your CSS code. Proper formatting helps keep your code organized and prevents any potential errors. Finally, after pasting the code, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the editor, usually located at the top right corner. It's essential to save changes immediately to ensure your edits take effect. Once saved, navigate back to your Shopify store and refresh the page. You should see that the underlines in your header menu are now removed, giving your store a sleeker, more professional appearance. And that's it. You've just removed the underline from your header menu on Shopify. If you're satisfied with the new look, congratulations on the successful update. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.